In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check if Google Form is submitted. When you share a Google Form, it is important to know whether responses are actually coming through. The most reliable way to confirm a submission is to look at the response records that Google creates for you. In just a moment, you will see exactly where to find them and how to interpret what you are looking at. Start by opening your Google Form. Make sure you are opening the form in edit mode, not the public link that people fill out. If you are in the correct place, you will see the form editor with your questions and the menu across the top. Next, click the Responses tab near the top of the form. This area is where Google collects everything that has been submitted. It is a good habit to check here first, because it shows you at a glance if your form is receiving responses. If you have access to the form and the form is set up to accept responses, you should see response activity reflected here. From the Responses tab, click View in Sheets. This is the green spreadsheet icon. When you select it, Google will open a spreadsheet that contains your form responses. If this is the first time you are doing this for the form, you may be prompted to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. Either option is fine, as long as you open the sheet linked to this form. Once the spreadsheet opens, look for the timestamp column, usually on the far left. The timestamp is the key detail that tells you a submission was successful. Each row represents one submitted response, and the timestamp shows the exact date and time it was received. If you see a new row with a recent timestamp, that confirms the form was submitted and recorded properly. For best results, keep the spreadsheet open when you are reviewing responses, and sort or scan by timestamp if you are looking for the latest submission. Also remember that only submissions that were fully completed and sent will appear here, so the timestamp is your confirmation point. That covers everything you need to know.